You're trying classes, a job, and your future, and your wallet still says, try again. What if you could earn from home, protect your study time, and build real-world skills employers love? Today, I'll show you 5 practical, low-investment side hustles that students and 9 to 5 employees can start right now. Each one comes with a clear learning path, beginner-friendly tools, and a 7-day mini action plan, so you can go from zero to your first gig fast. Let's dive in. Start small, stay consistent, scale smart. Side hustle number 1, background acting why it works. Film, TV, commercials, music videos, indie shoots, there's constant demand for reliable background talent. You don't need acting experience. You need availability, professionalism, and set etiquette. Learn the skill, camera comfort and amp, set etiquette. Understand how sets run, PAs, ADs, holding areas, quiet on set. Reliability, being on time, following wardrobe notes, keeping continuity. Lookbook basics, take natural light headshots with your phone, front, side, full length. Neutral background. Wardrobe kit, neutrals, smart casual, business attire, fitness wear, everyday streetwear. Keep them clean, wrinkle-free. Safety and amp, red flags, legit productions don't ask you to pay to audition, wire money, or send sensitive docs outside standard onboarding. How to learn, practically, watch day on set breakdowns on YouTube to learn the flow. Read quick guides on set terms, mark, background, reset, continuity, MS, holding. Practice holding still, repeating simple actions exactly for continuity. How to earn, step 1, create a background profile on reputable casting sites and local groups. Upload your headshots and sizes, list special skills, sports, cycling, bartending, instruments. Step 2, submit daily. Read the brief, age range, look, wardrobe. Apply only if you match. Step 3, prep for the day. Pack wardrobe, snacks, water, phone charger. Arrive early. Step 4, network quietly. Be friendly with background coordinators and PAs. Reliability gets repeat bookings. Step 5, upgrade. After a few gigs, aim for featured background, stand-in, or photo double. Consider a low-cost intro acting class to expand opportunities. How to earn, pricing and amp. Expectations, quick, pay varies by region and production. Focus on volume plus reliability at first. The more you're booked, the more referrals you'll get. 7 days learn, do, earn, sprint. Day 1, shoot headshots, write your sizing and skills. Day 2, create profiles, save a submission template. Day 3 to 5, submit to 3 to 5 calls/day, assemble wardrobe kit. Day 6, take a mini set etiquette class/video. Day 7, land first booking, show up early, follow notes, get rebookable. Phone headshots, wardrobe flat lays, call sheet blur, walking to set, holding area. Side hustle number 2, selling used stuff/reselling. Why it works. You already own inventory you don't use. Turn clutter into capital, then flip. It's flexible, teachable, and can scale. Learn the skill, product selection. Start with what you know, textbooks, tech, fashion, sports gear. Pricing research, search sold listings, note condition, accessories, packaging. Listing copy, title equals brand plus model plus condition plus size. Description equals features, flaws, measurements. Photos that sell, natural light, clean background, multiple angles, close-ups of wear. Shipping and amp, ops, no parcel sizes, basic packing, label printing, return policy. How to learn, practically, study high-performing listings in your category. Build a simple pricing spreadsheet, item, cost, fees, net. Learn basic cleaning/repair, lint shaving, deoxidizing yellowed zols, wiping screens. How to earn, step 1, quick cash pass. List 10 items from your room today. Step 2, reinvest. Use profits to buy underpriced items, thrift, clearance, campus swaps, and flip. Step 3, cross-list. Post on 2 to 3 marketplaces. Track where items move fastest. Step 4, bundle and amp, upsell. Offer discounts for multi-item purchases. Step 5, systemize. Create templates for titles/descriptions, save standard replies, schedule shipping days. Scaling ideas, specialize e.g. calculators, keyboards, sneakers, vintage tees. Offer consignment for friends, take a percentage. Keep a small photo setup for speed. 7 days, learn, do, earn, sprint. Day 1, gather 20 items, clean and sort. Day 2, photograph all, write listings for 10. Day 3, list all 10, enable shipping plus local pickup. Day 4, price check competitors, adjust. Day 5, source 3 flip candidates. Day 6, cross list, promote in local groups. Day 7, ship first sales, track profit, reinvest. Before/after cleaning, flat lay photos, packing orders, spreadsheet snapshots. Side hustle number 3, virtual assistant, VA. Why it works. Solo founders and small teams need help, but not full-time hires. If you're organized, responsive, and tech-savvy, VA work pays and fits student/9 to 5 schedules. Learn the skill. Core tools: email and calendar management, Gmail/Outlook, Docs/Sheets, Notion or Trello, simple design, Canva, chat, Slack, meeting tools, Zoom/Meet. Workflows: Inbox Zero, calendar blocking, SOPS, step-by-step process docs, task triage, status updates. Client comms: clear updates, expectation setting, friendly professionalism. Bonus skills: social scheduling, basic bookkeeping, light research, travel planning. How to learn, practically. Build mini SOPs: how I process email, how I schedule meetings, weekly report template. Create 3 portfolio artifacts: a mock inbox triage, a content calendar, and a KPI dashboard sample. How to earn. Step 1. Choose a lane. Admin virtual assistant, social virtual assistant, operations virtual assistant, research virtual assistant. Step 2. Starter offer. 10 hours package, 2-week trial, clear deliverables. Step 3. Where to find clients. Freelance platforms, LinkedIn outreach, niche communities, coaches, creators, Shopify stores. Step 4. Pitch template. Hi name, I help, niche, by result. Here's a 2-week starter plan. 3 tasks. If it doesn't help, you don't continue. Interested in a 15-minute call? Step 5. Onboarding. 1 kickoff doc. Goals, tools access, communication rules, weekly cadence, pricing and packaging. Start hourly if needed. Shift to retainers, e.g. 20 hours per month. Offer add-ons, report creation, meeting notes, social scheduling. 7 days, learn, do, earn. Sprint. Day 1, pick your VA lane, list 5 tasks you'll own. Day 2, create 3 portfolio samples plus SOPS. Day 3, set up profiles, write a tight headline and bio. Day 4 to 5, send 20 targeted pitches, apply to 10 gigs. Day 6, do 2 discovery calls, refine offer. Day 7, land trial client, deliver fast, weekly updates, calendar blocking, Kanban board, writing SOPs, Zoom calls, dashboards. Side hustle number 4. Online tutoring. Why it works. Demand never ends. Math, science, languages, coding, test preparation, academic writing. You help others succeed and get paid without leaving home. Learn the skill. Teaching basics. Start with learning goals. Break concepts into steps. Check understanding with mini quizzes. Summarize. Lesson design. 45 to 60-minute sessions with warm-up, core lesson, practice, recap, homework. Tools, video platform, online whiteboard, screen share, digital pen tablet helps a lot. Communication, patience, positive reinforcement, clear feedback. How to learn practically. Create 3 lesson plans in your niche. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. Record a 3-minute micro lesson to showcase your clarity. Prepare a simple diagnostic quiz to place students. How to earn. Step 1. Pick your niche, e.g. high school algebra, IELTS speaking, intro Python. Step 2. Profile and proof. Share grades, certifications or projects. Include your micro lesson video. Step 3. Platforms plus direct. Use tutoring platforms to start. Also market locally and on socials. Step 4. Offers. Free 15-minute consultation. Packages, 4 to 8 sessions with homework support. Step 5. Retention. Send progress notes and the next week plan after each session. Pricing and scaling. Start at an accessible rate. Raise gradually as your calendar fills. Add group classes, recorded mini courses, or exam boot camps. 7 days. Learn, do, earn. Sprint. Day 1. Choose subject plus level. Draft 3 outcomes. Day 2. Build 3 lesson plans plus a diagnostic quiz. Day 3. Film micro lesson. Set up profile. Day 4. Offer 3 free diagnostics to friends. Refine. Day 5. Post in 3 relevant groups. Contact schools, clubs. Day 6. Book first sessions. Send welcome pack. Day 7. Deliver stellar lessons. Collect testimonials. Whiteboard writing, tablet scribbles, calendar bookings, happy student reactions. Side hustle number 5. Passive income via investing. Important note. This is educational, not financial advice. Do your own research and consider speaking with a licensed professional. Why it works. The earlier you start, the more compound growth can work for you. Consistent small contributions can build meaningful wealth over time. Learn the skill. Foundations. What are stocks, bonds, ETFs, index funds, cash equivalents? Risk and reward. Volatility, diversification, time horizon, emotional control. Core habits. Pay yourself first, automate contributions, avoid high fees. How to learn practically. Study beginner guides on asset allocation and index investing. Write a 1-page investment policy statement, IPS. Goals, risk level, monthly amount, rebalancing rules. Build a small emergency fund before investing aggressively. How to earn. Step 1. Open a reputable brokerage account that fits your country or needs. Step 2. Start small with diversified funds. Automate a monthly or bi-weekly contribution. Step 3. Reinvest dividends. Review quarterly, not daily. Step 4. Gradually diversify as your knowledge grows. Step 5. Avoid common traps. Chasing hype, overtrading, high-fee products, guaranteed schemes, scaling and discipline. Increase contributions with every raise or new client. Set annual rebalancing and fee checkups. Keep a long-term mindset decade, not days. 7 days. Learn, do, earn. Sprint. Day 1. Define 3 goals. Short, medium, long. Day 2. Build your IPS. Pick a simple target allocation. Day 3. Compare brokerages, open account. Day 4. Automate a small monthly amount. Day 5. Learn tax basics relevant to you. Day 6. Set rebalancing reminders. Enable dividend reinvestment if available. Day 7. Review emotions and rules, commit to the plan. Compound growth graphs. Auto transfer setup. Calm, do not panic notes. IPS page. Call to action. You now have 5 proven paths to earn from home while building skills that level up your future. Pick one side hustle, start this week, and commit for 30 days. Post your progress below. What did you try? What worked? What surprised you? If this helped, like, subscribe, and share this with a classmate or coworker who needs a realistic plan. Your future self is already saying thank you.